Hi mga mare at pare! Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video ay magpe-flex lang ako ng larawan ng isang mabuting ama at asawa. Yes! Ayan si Barry Jason Santa Ana, guys. He is God-fearing person and family man talaga siya. That's what I really love about him. And just a quick story. We met July last year through social media and I didn't know na taga dito din siya sa amin. So, that's where all the magic happened. Yeah. At the reason why I did this video, because I just feel like I receive a lot of message from my friends kapag nagma-my day ako na grabe naman yung boyfriend mo, yung asawa mo, sobrang mahal na mahal yung anak mo, napakaswerte mo. And tama kayo, napakaswerte ko talaga for having such a good person like Barry because hindi lahat ng lalaki ay kagaya ni Barry. And siguro nga, nakita na rin siguro ng Diyos na lahat ng hiling ko sa buhay na sana naman kahit papaano ay magkaroon ako ng katuwang sa buhay like Barry and lucky enough, binigyan naman tayo. Let's just say na si Barry ang naging path o compass namin as a family. Kasi I couldn't really do it alone. I mean, meron talagang mga strong independent woman but raising 3 kids isn't really easy, lalo pag lalaki lahat yan. And Barry was there to support me, especially for Tadashi, because he knew na maraming kailangan bunuin kay Tadashi because the traumas and everything. But lahat-lahat yan ay kinakover ni Barry for Tadashi. So I'm really thankful enough that I found you and God really provide a lot of blessing to us para maging better ang ating family. And yun lang, maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga at pagmamahal mo sa ating pamilya. And you are 100 focused on us and lahat ng time mo talaga ay binibigay mo sa amin. So we are really blessed and thankful. And malayo pa tayo sa pangarap natin. Pero gaya nga ng lagi kong sinasabi, kikilusan natin ang pangarap natin hanggang sa maabot natin yan. And life is not a race. So, kung ano man ang achievements natin ngayon, hindi natin para ikumpara sa progreso ng iba. So, kumapit lang tayo sa sarili nating pangarap at maniwala tayong dalawa na we're gonna get there and mahalaga ay nandyan ka palagi para sa pamilya natin at alam ko na alam ng Diyos kung ano ang mga hangarin nating dalawa at forever na to, okay? Walang hiwalay. Yun lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. Piliin nyo palaging maging masaya at mahalin ninyo ang inyong mga asawa at bigyan nyo ng oras ang inyong pamilya. God bless you!